Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Good morning. And I request everyone to turn on the cameras and sit. Now, you are very less number of students, so you are clearly visible on my screen whether your camera is off or on.
Ma'am, there is something wrong with my camera. Can you see?
Okay. No, it's sometime coming and it's sometime going.
Yes, ma'am.
Kiana, turn on your camera. Pavisha, turn on your camera because you are very less number of students in the class now, so you all are visible to me. So please don't think ma'am will not notice if I keep the camera off and sit behind the screen. Got it? Sit with your camera on. Very good morning to all of you. Okay,
Good morning,
so
ma'am.
good morning, good morning. So I'll start my class. Now listen the instruction very, very carefully. Within 1 or 2 minutes, your revision folder will be updated. You will get one revision worksheet, revision number 8, based on successor and predecessor and between numbers. So there you will get two worksheets. One is based on long and short topic, which will be in your mathematics folder. One you will get one you will get revision worksheet, revision number 8, which will be on revision folder. So that both the worksheets will be updated in your folder in within 1 or 2 minutes. May be updated. Let me check. Yes, children, it is updated. You can open your revision folder. Everyone go to your maths revision folder and open revision number worksheet number 8 and tell me what is written there. Which worksheet is this? The topic of the worksheet.
The
Ma'am,
predecessor
predecessor and
and
successor between
between
numbers.
numbers. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that worksheet. Now take out that worksheet and now start writing in your notebooks, revision notebooks. Start doing this worksheet in your revision notebook. No need to make the boxes, nothing, no drawing. Just simply put a dash where the missing value is. If it is a predecessor, put a dash on the predecessor. If it is a successor, put a dash and start writing. No need to make boxes. Am I clear? And it is compulsory to write the question also. Clear? Because whenever I check or you do your practice, then you will be confused what is the question. So please write the question which is in yellow part. Janya, are you able to open the worksheet which is given in the revision folder? Janya, I am going to present you my screen. I want this worksheet. Wait, I'll show you my screen. Is there any child who is not Khush Ahuja, Khush Desai? Kavisha, turn on your camera, everyone, please.
Ma'am, when I open a different
Okay,
app,
then
so
it's
my
okay.
camera automatically goes off.
Okay,
That's
this
why.
is the worksheet. Can you all able to open this? Yes or no? Start doing fast. Meantime, I will ask the answers from you all and you have to give me the answers. Okay, the question is for write the successor and predecessor or the between or the number between the given numbers. So somewhere you will find that between number is missing. Somewhere you will find both the successor and predecessor are missing. Somewhere you will find only predecessor is missing. And somewhere you will find only successor is missing. So there are total 12 sums. That another page, blank page is coming, leave it. There are total 12 sums are there. Start doing in your notebooks. Now I will ask one by one. I will call your name. That child will only answer me. Arnav Desai. Arnav Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
I will ask from the between. It is not compulsory that I will ask the answer serial wise. Arnav, you tell me the fifth one. Fifth answer. Arnav, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the fifth one on your screen?
No, ma'am.
On my screen now, when I will show you that time that you were able to see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer.
2988 it is that.
You cannot read the number single, you read the number according to the places. It is what? 2900?
88.
Yes, you need to read the number like this, 2988.
8.
So what is the predecessor and what is the successor of this number?
Successor is 2, 2, 2, 2, 9, 900. 2000.
2900 will be the successor.
No.
Successor is just plus one you need to do.
Yes, I know successor and predecessor.
Yes. What comes after this? After and successor, both are synonyms.
2989.
Who told this answer?
I said, but I don't said 2,900. I write and 87, and after I'm saying Bhakti Tuma said.
2989 is the successor, and what is the predecessor, Arav?
Predecessor 2,987.
Yes. Now I will ask Janya. Janya, you tell me the eighth one.
શું બોલવાનું છે સક્સેસર?
Eighth one, 5000 is given.
5000 ની પહેલા શું આવે? 499.
No, Janya, wait. Janya, wait. Don't take help from anyone. You need to give me the answer. आपको देना है मुझे आंसर. हाँ.
499.
Janya, this is 5000. This is not 500. If you give the answer of 500, 4000.
4999.
And what comes after 5000?
5081.
5000. Just the after. Just the after number of 5000. Got it? Next child. Bhakti. Bhakti, give me the 11th answer.
Yes, ma'am. 2982 is the predecessor and the successor is 2984.
Yes. Next is, wait a minute, let me take the attendance. Then I will continue. By the time you children also. Next is Hansel is there. Hansel is not there. Hit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hit, you give me the answer of, wait. Answer 9th.
Answer 7,253. 7,254.
Okay, mute your mic. Is Varenya there? Varenya?
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, you need to give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the sixth one, because I
Third.
opened the assignment to write.
Third one.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, on the first blank, it will come.
I'm asking third one, not first one, not second one. I'm asking third one. Number 3.
Ma'am, the successor will come 7,631 and the
That will be predecessor, before number. And the successor means when you success, you go one number ahead, right? जब आप किसी भी चीज में सक्सेस होते हैं तो आप आगे बढ़ते हैं, पीछे नहीं. So always remember, successor is the next number after number.
And the successor is, ma'am, 7,633.
Yes. Next is Varija will give me the answer. Varija,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the 7th one. Varija, be little fast.
Hello.
Varija, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer for 7th one.
6,000.
7. Huh.
6,000. 66,000.
It is 6,000.
6,000. 600.
Hmm.
60.
Varinya, I want you to come back to your place. Varinya, I want you to come back to your place. You no need to tell the answer. You start doing your notebook work.
Ma'am, she didn't told the answer.
Okay, 6,669. What will be the next number?
600.
Again 600.
6,668.
After 69, there is a between number. Blank is in between. 6,669. Then what will come? Then 6,679 is already given to you.
6,670.
Yes. Taking too much time in simple ones. You know, you have now 5-digit and 6-digit numbers also. It is just a 4-digit number. Next answer. Will be given by, wait, I'll call your name. Here. Here. Here, you are there in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, I will ask. He left the class. Children, let me take the attendance once more. I hope you all are doing your work. Now, Kiana will tell me. Kiana?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
the 8th one is 5,000 or 50,000?
5,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Just Kiana, read the 12th one. Kiana, give me.
1,112.
Yes.
Ma'am, all sums are done.
Very good if you have done. I will give you 2-3 minutes more and then I will start the today's topic.
Ma'am, I also done all.
Ma'am, I have also done all the sums.
Very good. Mohammed Patel is there in the class? Mohammed Patel is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed Patel, you give me the answer for, wait. You give me the answer 10th one. Read. You look into your desktop and see and open the worksheet and give me the answer for 10th. Read the number what is written on the 10th, Mohammed.
10.
Mohammed, read what is written on the number 10. Kiana, please sit at your place. Mohammed, what is written on that number? Can you read that number?
Ma'am, presentation is 1.
But I told you to open the worksheet in your desktop. It is there in your classroom. Revision number 8. Are you able to open it? खुल रही है आपसे? Mohammed, yes or no?
I'm checking.
Go to mathematics revision folder. By the time next child will answer me,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Aisha. Yes, Varinya.
Ma'am, maybe he could not refresh the page because I refreshed the page, then
Yes, it is compulsory. Then you need to refresh your page. Then only you will able to see. By the time next child, Laisha, you tell me the sixth one. Sixth.
Ma'am, the 6th one, the between one, no?
Yes.
3,121.
Next child, Rishik Bajaj. Rishik,
Yes, ma'am.
8th. Oh, sorry, second. Mute your mic, Mohammed. And you please stay after the class. I want to talk to you. Rishik Bajaj, number 2.
Yeah. Ma'am, 8,812.
Yes. Let me check. Hansel is there in the class or not. Hansel is there now?
Yes,
Hansel?
Yes, ma'am, Hansel is there.
Yes, Hansel.
Yes, ma'am, he is there.
Yeah, I know. Hansel, please turn on your camera. Children, I hope you all have completed. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am,
I will
maybe
give you.
in my are just 3 left.
I'm giving you 2 minutes more time. Please complete it fast.
Ma'am, all completed.
Okay. So children, those who have completed, those who have already completed, now I want to discuss with them something. So children, as we were doing, which chapter, what was, those who have completed, they please close the revision notebook and keep it aside. Keep it aside, everyone. Now please pay attention here.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am. We have to submit this work.
Yes. At that folder only, okay? So now children, Priyag will tell us, Priyag, as we were doing which chapter in our maths notebook?
Chapter 2, long and short.
So Kiana will tell us, Kiana, which was our last topic which we have done in this chapter, long and short? Ahana will tell us. Ahana, which was our last topic which we have done in long and short?
Ma'am, convert the kilometer into meter.
No, after conversion, we have done many things. Yes, Varinya, what was our last topic which we have done in long and short?
Ma'am, we did the minus sums of kilometers and meters.
After that, also, we have done one more topic. Priyag will tell us. Yes, Priyag.
The lesser than and greater than.
Comparison of the lens. Yes, or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We have done how to compare the lens when both the sides units are not same. First, we have to make the units same. Yes. So after doing addition, subtraction, comparison, what do you think? What after learning all these things, now you need to apply into your real life? Yes, if you know the addition and subtraction of the units, you will apply it into your real life. And when you apply into your real life, some story begins. Yes or no? Story begins or not? These are called the story problems. Yes. These are called the story problems or the word problems. When we apply the concept which we have learned into our real life, we make the stories. And that stories are called the word problems. Okay. And we call it as a story problem. Word problem, word is
Send the worksheet based on it.
yes. So I will explain what to do with that. Okay. So now, for example, if I make one story, suppose there were two friends. There were two friends, friend A and friend B. Please, if you want to write, write somewhere because you only have to give me the answer. There were two friends, friend A and friend B. They want to race. Okay, they have taken a participation in a marathon. Okay, so A friend ran 20 kilometer 8 centimeter and the B friend ran 10 kilometer 6 centimeter. Oh, sorry, meters. Kilometers and meters it is. So you can say A ran 2 kilometers and 8 meters and B friend ran 10 kilometers and 6 meters. You all have written down the values somewhere? Yes.
Ma'am, can you answer? Because my next
Okay, I'll repeat again. Mute yourself, everyone. I will repeat again. I am making one story. Once upon a time, there were two friends, both friend A and friend B. They participated in the marathon. And you all know what we have to do in the marathon. What do you have to do in the marathon when we participate?
race.
Run. So friend A, yeah, friend A, he ran 20 kilometers and 8 meters. 20 kilometers and 8 meters. And B friend B ran 10 kilometers and 6 meters. Now you tell me who ran fast and by how much? For there you need to give there you need to give me two answers.
Friend
Dheerg is saying something. Let me listen. Who ran fast, Dheerg? A or B?
My friend A.
My friend A.
He covered more distance. Yes.
Ma'am, the friend A.
A. And by how much?
Ma'am, 10 kilometers.
10 kilometer and excellent. 10
kilometers and 1 meter. So
yes, 2 meters. Okay, mute your mics now. Mute your mics. I got the answer 10 kilometers and 2 meters. Okay. Now, I gave you one example. Now, I will ask one by one from you all to frame one example on the word problems. It can be based on anything, meter or centimeter or kilometer or meter. Or you can use the addition or you can use the subtraction. Like here, I have used the subtraction, that by how much. So it is your word problem. Make it and tell me. First, I start with, please raise your virtual hand, those who are ready. Those who are ready, please raise your virtual hand so that I can ask from you all. Yes, Khush Desai, can you frame one word problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Rahul,
please.
Rahul, Rahul went to his grandmother. His
Okay.
grandmother's house was 15 kilometers far, and his nani's and his chacha's house was 6 kilometers far.
Hmm.
So, which is the farthest road?
Hmm.
Whose house is the far?
Hmm. And
And by how much?
tell me.
And the daddy's house is farthest.
By
And
how much?
by ma'am, it will be 8.
8. Just check.
No, ma'am, it will be 9.
9 what?
Ma'am, 9 kilometers.
Yes. Until you will not use the units, your answer will not be right. Now, Yuk Surana. Yuk Surana,
Yes, ma'am.
please give me.
Yes, ma'am.
And children, I tell you how to write. The many of the times you children face the difficulty to write the statement in the word problems, right? Statements, it's not very tough. It is all given in your question only. First few lines are based on what is given to you. Sometimes you get 2 things, sometimes you get 3 things, sometimes you have 4 things which is already given. Like here he used Nani's house, Dadi's house, he can use uncle's house, he can use 4 different things also. So it depends on what is given to you. So first few lines will be on what is given to you, and the last line will be on what you need to find out. And that too also given in the question only. You need to write the statement from the question itself. Okay. Yes, Yuksurana, can you frame one word problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Once a mother was going to a shopping mall.
Mm-hmm.
There were 4 shopping malls.
Mm-hmm.
One shopping mall was at 10 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
10 kilometers, 1 centimeter, no, 1 meter. The second was 20 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
The third was 15 kilometers, 10 centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
And the fourth one was 30 kilometers, 10 centimeters.
Okay. 10 meters.
10 meters.
Hmm.
So, which is the nearest to the mother? So, the mall A is the nearest to the mother.
Okay. But here you have not used any operation, any addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction will be possible into the 2 maybe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after giving the information, you need to use any of the operation of the addition or the subtraction also. So make word
Okay,
problem,
ma'am.
story problem in such a way so that you can use the operation also. Yes, Meet, can you try one? Wait a minute, I want to explain you something. Meantime, I'm asking the questions from you all. Now you can open your maths folder. There is one worksheet number 11, based on word problems, is already posted into your classroom. I want to show you here which worksheet it is and how you will write the statement. So meantime, you can start doing, meantime, you can start doing this worksheet in your notebook, maths notebook.
Can we not write the question?
Yeah, don't write the question, but statement is compulsory. For example, this is the worksheet. A cloth merchant sold 16 meter 69 centimeter cotton clothes, 49 meter 96 centimeter silk cloth. How much total? So total is coming means you need to add. So first, a merchant is a businessman or a sailor. He sold cotton clothes this much, silk cloth this much, and the total cloth will be this much. So your answer will come in meters and centimeters. It is total, so you need to add. Same way, you need to write the statement for the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So please start doing in your notebooks.
Excuse me, ma'am, can I say?
Raise your virtual hand. I'll call the child name. Yes. Next is Ahana. Ahana, tell me.
Ma'am, I want to say something that can we print out this worksheet or we have to write in our notebook?
It's your choice. If you can instantly take the print, take print and start doing.
Okay, ma'am. Now
Otherwise,
can I
you will.
say the
Yeah. Okay. Say your question.
in 1 hour it is in the 1 hour it is 60 minutes. So how many minutes
We are not doing related with time. We are doing with kilometers, meters, centimeters. This we are
Ma'am,
doing.
can I say?
We are not doing with the time. Time lesson will come next, chapter number 4.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
I say?
Yes, Varija. Varija, start.
Me and my friend went jogging for jogging. I ran 3 kilometers 10 meters and my friend ran 4 kilometers and 10 meters. What is the total
Hmm.
number?
What is the total distance covered by both the friends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 kilometers and 20 meters.
Very good. But if I twist it, okay, if I twist your question, I I twist your question like 3 kilometers. You ran 3 kilometers and 90 meters, and your friend ran 4 kilometers and 10 meters. Now, can you find the total?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can you say the question?
You ran 3 kilometers and 90 meters. Your friend ran 4 kilometers and 10 meters. Now you can find the question. Ahana, I request you to please do your work.
So, ma'am, we need to plus it, no?
Total.
7 kilometers and 100 meters.
When now it is 100 meters. Okay, good.
So,
7, no, it is 100 meters. So it will be 7 kilometers and 100. What, Varija? Can you please tell me again?
7 kilometers and 100 meters.
Yes. Very good. So I want to bring into your notice that it is compulsory that you should have how many digits in the meter? 3. Yes, Laisha. Yes.
Ma'am, in this worksheet we can write just answers.
Yes. But with a statement. These are word problems.
Ma'am, can I say example?
Wait, Prayag is saying something. Yes, Prayag?
Can I say example?
Yes.
Rima used 4 meter and ran red ribbon. Sorry, and used red ribbon 5 meter and 25 centimeter of blue ribbon to make a flower. How much used? So 0 centimeter plus 25 centimeter is 25. 4 plus 5 is 9. So answer is she used 9 meter 25 centimeter ribbons.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Laisha, make the one word problem.
What, ma'am?
Make one word problem by your own. Based on meter centimeter, based on kilometer meter, or use any operation, addition or subtraction.
Okay, but I have not made it. I'm just thinking that what I should.
Okay. Bhakti, by the time Bhakti will tell us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
a barber.
Hmm.
No, ma'am. A boy
Hmm.
went to the market.
Hmm.
The market's distance was 5 kilometers
Hmm.
and 8 meters.
Hmm.
And the and his nanny's house
Hmm.
was 8 kilometers and 2 meters.
Hmm.
So the distance between the market and the nanny's house is
Find out fast.
3 kilometers
Hmm.
and
Ma'am, time is up.
Yes. Bhakti.
Can I say?
No. Now I will give chance to the students in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Now listen here listen here, grade 4 students. You have your CET on Monday. You have your CET on Monday. All the topics which we have covered will be posted into the classroom today, right? And start preparing. Monday you have the CET of this chapter. And please frame some word problems and come in the next class. I'll give you a chance in the next class. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye.
Bye.